Let's evaluate the scan strength of various types of NFC stickers using an ACR122U USB NFC reader. Starting with the 30mm Lynx vinyl sticker, the read distance is approximately 3 centimeters. Next, the Lynx micro sticker also has a read distance of about 3 centimeters. Moving on, we have the Lynx ultra-small FPC chip. Due to its compact size, it has a shorter read distance of approximately 2 centimeters. Now we test the 22mm Circus chip, which provides good scan strength, reading at around 3 centimeters. Here we have a larger 38mm chip, achieving a read distance of about 4 centimeters. Finally, we have the largest, debit card-sized NFC chip with an impressive read distance of approximately 9 centimeters.